Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can install WooCommerce in Hostinger. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to websites, and then you need to make sure that you're running a website with a WordPress, because without WordPress, WooCommerce will not work. So make sure you're running with WordPress. If you don't have a WordPress website, you just need to then press add website and then set up WordPress site. And then what you need to do here is to go to your WordPress website dashboard and then log in to the backend of your WordPress account. Once you're on the WordPress backend, then hover your mouse on plugins, then you just need to press on it, wait for a couple of seconds until it loads, then press add plugin, and then on search you just need to write WooCommerce, right? Wait for a couple of seconds and press install now. WooCommerce should be by automatic, right? And when installed, just activate it. And then new option will appear here. Then you can click on your WooCommerce here. And then you can customize your store, right? Just by basically changing these options if you want. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like.